Welcome to part 7 of ASVAB Mentor. You've come so far and we're just getting started. Every part of this series is made to help you master science step by step, even if you haven't studied in years. In this part, we'll explore 3 powerful science areas: nutrition, genetics, and plant science. These are key subjects for the SVB General Science test, and when you understand them in simple English, everything becomes easier. So stay focused, take notes, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to ASVAB Mentor because your support helps us create even more free study content for learners like you. Let's get started with 20 brand new questions, nutrition questions. 1. What nutrient gives your body energy and is found in foods like bread, rice, and pasta? Carbohydrates. Explanation. Carbs are your body's main energy source. They break down into sugar that fuels your brain and muscles. 2. Which nutrient builds and repairs your muscles and tissues? Protein. Explanation. Protein is found in meat, eggs, beans, and nuts. It helps your body grow and heal. 3. What type of fat is considered healthy and is found in foods like olive oil and avocados? Unsaturated fat. Explanation. Unlike saturated fats, unsaturated fats can help lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. 4. Which vitamin helps your body absorb calcium and is made by sunlight on your skin? Vitamin D. Explanation. You can get vitamin D from sun exposure and foods like milk and fatty fish. It's essential for strong bones. 5. What mineral helps carry oxygen in your blood? Iron. Explanation. Iron is needed to make hemoglobin, the part of red blood cells that moves oxygen through your body. 6. What happens if your body doesn't get enough water? You become dehydrated. Explanation. Dehydration causes headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. Water helps every cell in your body function properly. Basic genetics question 7. What are the small pieces of information in your cells that carry traits from your parents? Genes. Explanation. Genes are made of DNA and determine things like eye color, height, and blood type. 8. Where are genes stored in your cells? In the chromosomes inside the nucleus. Explanation. Your body has 23 pairs of chromosomes that carry all your genetic information. 9. What molecule is shaped like a twisted ladder and holds your genetic code? DNA. Explanation. DNA is the instruction manual for your body. It tells your cells how to grow, function, and reproduce. 10. What do we call the passing of traits from parents to children? Heredity. Explanation. Heredity is why children may look like their parents. It is the process of passing genes through generations. 11. What type of cell contains only half the number of chromosomes and is used in reproduction? A sex cell. Explanation. Sex cells have 23 chromosomes. When sperm and egg join, they create a complete set of 46 in the new baby. 12. What scientist is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. Explanation. Mendel discovered patterns of inheritance using pea plants, laying the foundation for modern genetics. Plant science questions 13. What is the green pigment in plants that helps them capture sunlight? Chlorophyll. Explanation. Chlorophyll is found in leaves and helps plants turn sunlight into food through photosynthesis. 14. What is the process where plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide? Photosynthesis. Explanation. In this process, plants create glucose and release oxygen essential for life on Earth. 15. What do we call the tiny openings on the bottom of leaves where plants take in carbon dioxide? Stomata. Explanation. Stomata let gases move in and out. They open to take in CO for photosynthesis and release oxygen. 16. What part of the plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil? The roots. Explanation. Roots also anchor the plant in the ground and sometimes store food. 17. What part of the plant carries water from roots to leaves? The stem. Explanation. The stem acts like a highway, moving water and nutrients upward to support the plant's growth. 18. What is the male part of the flower that produces pollen? The stamen. Explanation. Pollen is needed for fertilization, and the stamen is where it's made. 19. What part of the flower receives the pollen during fertilization? The pistil. Explanation. The pistil is the female part of the flower. After it receives pollen, it helps form seeds and fruit. 20. What is the sweet liquid that flowers make to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies? Nectar. Explanation. Nectar is a sugary reward that draws in insects, helping the plant spread its pollen to other flowers. Fantastic job, you finished part 7. You've now mastered 140 questions, each one carefully written to help you understand science with ease. In this part, you learned how your body gets energy, how genes pass traits, and how plants keep life going on Earth. Let's end with this reminder. If you learned something today, please like this post, share it with a friend or study buddy, and don't forget to subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for more helpful content in future parts.